Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to wrap a Python script in a normal regular Windows service. So many times with working with Claude, they're going to generate a output that is a Python script. So if I was to run a Python script, which is great, here's my Python script running, but for this to work well, this window always has to be open, and if the computer gets rebooted or this window accidentally gets closed, my receipt bot that I created won't work anymore. So today I want to show you how do I make this a Windows service. That way, after a computer restart, the bot automatically starts, or it's not reliant on the window actually being open. So let's dive into it. Okay, so I'm going to use the NSSM service wrapper. And if you want to go to the website directly, this is the URL nssm.cc/download, or I'm actually going to install via Winget. So if you Winget space install space nsm.nsm, this should install the package. Now, if you've never used Winget before, just do a quick Google search on how to get Winget package installed in PowerShell. There's a bunch of tutorials online. Okay, it says that we need to restart the shell, so great. We should have that feature installed, but let's just double check. Okay, to test to make sure NSSM is installed, just type in NSSM, and yeah, so it shows that it is here. Okay, now that we have NSSM installed, the next command you're going to run is NSSM install and then the name of whatever you want to call your service or bot. So I'm just calling this receipt bot, and we're just going to enter, and it pops up this little application window where you can fill in this information. So you're going to ask, where do I find this information? It's pretty straightforward. I'll show it to you. Path will be where the Python path is. So if you're not sure where the location of Python is, just do where.exe/space Python, and it'll show you the Python path. So here you'll just go ahead and copy this location right here. Copy that in. So that's the path to Python. The startup directory is going to be where the directory is that your script is stored. So in my case, this is the directory where my script is stored, or the Python script. So I copy that. I'm just going to put that right here. And then the argument is the actual bot name. So we're just going to copy this here and put that here. Now make sure you put the .py file extension on the end. And let's go ahead and hit install service. Okay, so it says that it installed the service properly. If you want to double check, you can just go under services here. And if you go under Windows services, you should see your service name. So there's receipt bot. And let's go ahead and start it, see if it works. Okay, so it has not started properly. There's something I've done wrong. Let's see what we did incorrectly. Okay, I'm suspicious that the service doesn't like the path I gave it first, that it probably actually wants this path. So how do we edit those settings? We just go ahead and do NSSM edit, and then your bot name or service name. So right here, and let's go ahead and just copy this path in instead. There we go. Let's just hit edit service. Okay, it says it was edited successfully. Let's go ahead and hit start. Boom. Now it's working. Okay. So let me go ahead and see if it is actually working. I don't have the Python window open. What I'll go ahead and do is text the Telegram bot that I have and see if it responds. So let's see here. I don't have this on video, but yes. And so my bot did respond and it is working. So that's the steps to set up your Python script as a Windows service. So within Windows then you can stop and restart the service and also set it to be automatic on startup or disabled, however you like. In this case, I don't really actually need it running on this computer all the time, so I'll just set it as disabled. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to post those in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.